How should we introduce ourselves? How to greet? I'm self-motivated, multitasker, and quick learner. Introduction में इसने कमाल कर दिया. Hello everyone, welcome to Hamid Talash Talks. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you about basic greetings and introduction. 30 days crash course. Mata ustasanga chimaka wailiu che 30 days crash course da tarawdam. But the 30 days crash course ke da first lesson day, first lecture day je bata usta ki khabare ko. Dasi bamung makhi pa different lectures bande khabare ko, and in different lectures we are going to cover different topic from basic to intermediate inshallah. Dear all, whenever you start learning any new language, kalahum chi new language da kawallu bande rashi greetings pa age ke first day, how to greet chasara sanga chi jod pa khair ke. I mean, chasara first time milaw shi salam basanga ko. Mungwayu chi assalamu alaikum. Anglizan way hi, hello, hey, age da use ko. Piyamungwayu singe. They are saying how are you? How do you do? What's up? How have you been? What's going on? That told the different greeting styles. Different tariqi di chamung chasara milaw shu mung dam velish good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night bepa goodbye kimrat leshi. Us greetings ki two types di mung sara. First one is known as formal greeting, and second one is known as informal greeting. Informal greeting, we are saying how are you? No. How are you is informal greeting. How do you do is formal greeting. Hey, how do you do? I'm good. What about you? What about you? You kastatawel che I am good, answer borke. What about you? Thus say, how have you been? What is going on with you? How is everyone with you at home? Everyone is good at home. Informal ki biasarazi, how are you? What's up? What's up? Howdy. They are all coming in the informal greeting. Us greeting mohem zakade chitaba introduction the greeting na start kawai. For example, someone is asking an interview from us to introduce yourself. How should we introduce ourselves? Kamung na cherta pa school, college, university ke ya pa balzai ke the introduction ta post ke ginumung basanga introduction ko. So let's learn how to introduce yourself. In introduction, as I told you, firstly you need to start with greeting. Assalamu alaikum or good morning, good afternoon. Then you are expected to mention your name, complete name. For example, good morning, greeting day. Good morning, good afternoon. Thanks, Mamkave. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. Ya badasway, or ya badasway, it is pleasure to me to introduce myself to you. They start ale. Then you should mention your name. For example, I'm talking about myself. So I am Hamid Talash Ibrahimi, my complete name. And you should mention your complete name too. Besides that, where are you from? I am from Peshawar, Pakistan. If you are from India, then you're saying I am from India, I am from Kolkata, India, I am from Delhi, India. If you're from Afghanistan, I am from Kabul, Afghanistan. I am from Nangarhar, Afghanistan. Katachirta pa Dubai, Qatar, ya Saudi Arabia ki wa altawai, nalta bada khpal city makhli. For example, the United States ki I am from California, United States of America, but basically I am from Pakistan, Peshawar. That's your relation. Besides that, you need to mention your education. For introduction, third is education. First, about your name. Second, about the place where are you from. And third, then you are going to mention about your education. For example, if I'm talking about myself, I have completed my master degree back in 2021. I have done my matriculation. I have done my FSC. I have done my bachelor degree back in 2023. Thus, the describe college. Besides that, you need to mention your interest. Interest razi. The education napast ba interest sekirke. I'm interested in playing cricket. I'm interested in spending time with my family. I'm interested in reading books. I love to spend time in gym. I love to do exercise. That's the interest. After interest, then you are going to mention about your strengths. But introduction ki strength mention ko ham importantly, especially when you are giving introduction of yours in any specific interview. For example, I'm talking about my strength. So I'm saying I'm self-motivated, dedicated, and focused person. Or you are saying I'm self-motivated, multitasker, and quick learner. Strengths thi. Agar strength bana mention kare kam chipata ki nishta. Last, not the least thing in introduction, you need to mention about your short-term and long-term goal. For example, my short-term goal is to learn new skills, to learn English language, to learn computer skills, to learn freelance skills, to learn Amazon, your skills. Or my short-term goal is to complete my degree. And my long-term goal is to have my own business or to work with this specific organization to have reputable job in the future. That's how you need to mention about your specific short-term and long-term goal in introduction. That's specific introduction if you give such type of introduction, I believe that the person who is sitting in front of you will get inspired and the person will think positive about you. That, oh, introduction mein isne kamal kar diya. Pa introduction ke do yogat kamal oko. So, I want you all to introduce yourself in the comment box. I hope you have learned how to introduce yourself and how to go for basic greetings, formal and informal. So, you have to introduce yourself in the comment box. Let's know how many students have learned the right way of introducing from the first day of the course. Stay blessed, stay happy. Keep following me for the next lecture.